The overall goal of this procedure is to visualize the gas stream of an ambient ionization source used with mass spectrometry for the purpose of understanding and optimizing the ionization source.
This method can help answer key questions in the ambient ionization mass spectrometry field, such as ionization efficiency versus source position. The main advantage of this technique is using visualized gas streams with an ambient ionization source to better understand the physical phenomena associated with the detection technique.
Though this method can provide insight into ambient mass spectrometry, it can also be applied to other systems, such as physical phenomena which involve gas streams. An example would be the aerodynamics field.
Generally, individuals new to this method will struggle because initially it's difficult to figure out how to manually adjust the system to achieve proper alignment of the camera.
First, clamp a spherical concave mirror in a ring stand clamp large enough to support the mirror. Attach the ring stand clamp with the mirror to a 3-foot ring stand perpendicular to the floor. Have the ring stand and mirror placed to the side of a mass spectrometer source. Adjust the face of the mirror so that it is parallel to and at the same height as the source. Then, position the mirror so its center is aligned with the center source region of the mass spectrometer. Next, attach a metal plate to the top of a tripod. Attach a razor blade, which is known as the cutoff, to the metal plate using a magnet, so that the sharp edge is vertical. Place the tripod in line with the mirror at twice the focal length of the mirror. Then, align the razor blade orthogonal to the path of light reflected from the mirror. Manually adjust the height of the tripod so that the sharp edge of the razor blade is approximately aligned with the center of the mirror.